Hello friends, myself Ravi Nania, and today I am here with my topic, that is type of exception in Java. So today's date 20th September 2022. So we will start. So in my last video I had already explained about what is exception. So and how to handle the exception. So in this video we will mainly discuss about the type of exception that can occur in our program. So there are three types of exceptions. So as we know, exception is a code or it is something code method which cause our program to terminate abnormally. So is because of exception our program may terminate and it will not complete its task completely. So there are three types of exceptions. First is that checked exception. The second is unchecked exception. The third is error. So basically error, we can't handle error. So there is only one way. So error may occur because of the syntax error. Basically because it may occur because of syntax error. So to handle that error, we have to check our syntax. So the other two types, that is checked and unchecked exceptions, that we can handle. The first part is checked exception. So what is checked exception? So basically checked exception, it is exception which is handled by compiler. So suppose we are typing some code in which we are performing some action on a particular file, and we write that file. Suppose we write demo.txt file, and the demo.txt file is needed in our program. So we don't know there is a file in our system or not. So if there is no file, that is demo.txt file doesn't exist in our system. So when we write that file name, the compiler shows an error before compiling. So that exception can be handled, and because that exception occur at the initial stage, and it is handled by compiler. So it is called checked exception, because we know that this exception may occur, and we know that how to handle that exception. So this is basically a checked exception which is handled by compiler. So the next part is unchecked exception. So what is unchecked exception? So basically the exception which is occur during runtime and which is handled by JVM. So the exception which we don't know, that may occur in our program execution. So as we know that checked exception occur at the initial stage, and that we know that it will show an error or some red line under our code, that this may cause an exception or something else. So but as compared to unchecked exception, we don't know when the exception is occur and why the exception is occur, but we can judge that this code may, or the particular line of code can cause an exception. Suppose for example we take some two input from a user, that is num1 and num2, and we have to perform division of that both the number, and we will divide num1 by num2. So there will be chances because we know user can give input any number. So there will be chance of giving number 1 as something positive number, that is 100 200 300 etc. But if that user give number 2 as 0, and we divide num1 by num2 in our system out.println line or something, or we assign that value to another variable, that code may cause exception, because if we divide any number by 0, we don't know what will be the answer, or we can say the answer will be undefined. So this type of exception can cause at runtime, and so to handle that exception we have to use try catch block, etc. So basically the exception which is checked at the compile time and which is handled by compiler, that is called checked exception, and the next part, the second part is unchecked exception, with the exception which is checked, or we can say it is not checked at compile time, and which is handled by JVM at runtime. That exception is called unchecked exception. So with this I like to stop here. Thank you.